Wait, so you're telling me your English teacher is fun?
Yeah, she's very fun.
Do you mean she's fun or she's funny?
Same thing?
Oh, no. No. We need to talk.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Speak Lab.
We're so happy you're here. If you love learning real English in a fun and relaxed way, make sure you follow the channel so you don't miss our next episode.
Today's topic is small but powerful.
And very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Today, we're talking about the difference between fun and funny.
So, Sophie, what's the problem? They look similar.
They look similar, they sound similar, but they are not the same.
At all.
Not even a little. Okay, let's start simple. Fun means enjoyable. Something makes you feel good. You have a good time.
Like a party.
Exactly. The party was fun.
Or the trip was fun.
Yes, good. Now, funny is different.
Funny means something makes you laugh.
Exactly. A joke is funny. A comedian is funny. A silly video is funny.
So, can I say the movie was very fun?
That's tricky. In modern English, native speakers sometimes say, "That was so fun." But traditionally, fun is not used like a normal adjective.
Safer version? The movie was a lot of fun.
Perfect. Or, the movie was really fun. That's also common now.
Okay, but listen. Yesterday, I watched a documentary about penguins.
Oh?
It was not funny.
No?
But it was fun.
That makes sense.
The penguins were serious.
Serious penguins. Let's compare. A roller coaster is fun. A clown is funny.
A game night is fun. Your friend who tells crazy stories is funny.
A vacation is fun. A joke about your vacation can be funny.
Oh, I like that.
Here's the key difference. Fun equals good experience. Funny equals makes you laugh.
So if I say, my math class is funny,
Then your math teacher is probably telling jokes.
or something is very strange.
Exactly, because funny can also mean strange.
Wait, funny can mean strange?
Yes. For example, that smells funny.
Oh, that doesn't mean it's laughing.
No, it means something is strange, not normal.
Like milk that smells funny.
Yes, please do not drink that milk.
Okay, I feel like I understand the basic difference now, but I also feel like this is one of those topics where learners still make mistakes in real conversations.
Okay, I feel like I understand the basic difference now, but I also feel like this is one of those topics where learners still make mistakes in real conversations.
Wait, is that wrong?
Not wrong exactly, but it sounds unusual. Native speakers would normally say, "Your father is really fun," meaning he's enjoyable to be around. But if you say, "Your father is very funny," that means he makes people laugh.
Ah, so funny is more about humor, and fun is more about the experience of being with someone.
Exactly. Think of it like this. If someone tells jokes all the time and makes everyone laugh, they're funny. If someone creates a good atmosphere and you enjoy spending time with them, they're fun.
Oh, that's a very clear difference. I like that. Okay, let's imagine we go to a party together.
Dangerous idea, but okay, go on.
After the party, I call you and say, that party was really funny.
That sounds like something strange happened.
Exactly. Maybe someone fell into the pool, or maybe the music stopped suddenly and everyone just stood there in silence.
Yes. Funny suggests something made you laugh or something strange or unexpected.
But if I say that party was really fun, it simply means I enjoyed it. Good music, nice people, good food.
Perfect. See? Same situation, different meaning. Here's a very common mistake I hear from students. They say, "I had a funny day."
That sounds like something unusual happened.
Exactly. It sounds like something strange or laughable happened during the day. But if they just mean they enjoyed their day, they should say, "I had a fun day."
That's such a small change, but the meaning completely shifts.
Completely.
Okay, let's play a quick correction game.
I'm ready.
Sentence number 1. My new job is very funny.
Unless your boss is a comedian, that's probably wrong. It should be, my new job is really fun, if you enjoy it.
Good. Sentence number 2. My brother is so fun. He tells jokes all the time.
Ooh, tricky. That should be, my brother is so funny, he tells jokes all the time.
Because telling jokes equals making people laugh.
Very good. I feel proud.
Okay, let me try something more complex. What if I say, our trip was funny?
That suggests something strange or ridiculous happened during the trip.
Maybe you missed your flight, maybe your luggage went to the wrong country, maybe you ordered something weird by accident.
That actually happened to me once. See? Funny story.
But if I say, our trip was fun,
That just means you enjoyed the experience. Relaxing, exciting, interesting, but not necessarily laugh out loud.
you know what's funny?
What?
The word fun is short and simple, but causes so many problems.
And that's not funny.
It's not funny.
But learning it correctly is fun. Okay, let's give a few more examples so everyone feels confident. The game was fun. The comedian was funny. The class was fun. The teacher was funny.
That last one is important. A class can be fun, a teacher can be funny.
Exactly, and sometimes both.
That's the best combination. All right, I think it's time to test everyone properly.
Yes, no more explanations. Now we see who was really listening.
Okay, everyone, get ready. Don't think too long, just feel it.
Trust your English instincts.
Sentence number 1. The roller coaster was so blank. Fun or funny?
If you said fun, you're correct.
Because a roller coaster is an experience. It gives you excitement.
Unless the roller coaster started going backwards unexpectedly, then maybe it becomes funny later when you tell the story.
After you survive. After you survive. Sentence number 2. My friend told a really blank joke.
That must be funny.
Because jokes make you laugh.
If the joke is fun, that sounds strange.
Very strange. Sentence number 3. We had a really blank time at the beach.
That's fun.
Yes, because it's about the experience.
Swimming, relaxing, eating snacks, that's fun.
Okay, this one's tricky. The milk smells blank.
That is funny.
But not ha-ha funny.
No, strange funny.
Dangerous funny.
Please do not drink that milk.
All right, fast round. No explanation, just answer. Stand-up comedian.
Funny.
Birthday party.
Fun.
A strange noise at night.
Funny.
Your best friend who always makes you laugh.
Funny.
A weekend trip with good friends.
Fun.
Math homework.
Not fun.
Also not funny. You know what I like about this difference?
What?
It's actually very logical once you stop translating from your own language.
Yes, that's important. Many learners translate directly, but English doesn't always work that way.
If something makes you laugh, funny. If something gives you a good experience, fun.
And remember, funny can also mean strange.
Like when someone looks at you and says, "That's funny."
And you don't know if they're laughing or suspicious.
Okay, last situation. You go on a date. After the date, your friend asks, "How was it?" If you say it was fun, that means you enjoyed the time.
Yes, good conversation, good atmosphere.
If you say it was funny,
Then something strange happened.
maybe he brought his mother.
Maybe he brought his mother. So today we learned something very small but very powerful.
One tiny word difference can completely change your meaning.
And now you won't accidentally tell someone their serious business meeting was funny.
Unless it actually was.
Exactly.
If this episode helped you finally understand the difference between fun and funny, then that makes us very happy.
And we hope learning English with us is always fun.
And we hope learning English with us is always fun.
Hopefully both.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.